2019 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the front headlights, low beams, high beams, and the fog lights. So first thing for the low beam, you come over here, and the low beam is the one that's over here by the body. And what you do is you can disconnect this connector by pushing on the tab on the bottom right here. You push on this bottom part, and then you pull this down. Try to pull by the connector, not the wires, and then you twist this towards the engine, and then you should be able just to slide it out right here like that. And then for the high beam is right next to it right here. It's this one. It looks almost identical. Same process. Push on this tab to lift up the lock, and then you could just slide this off just like this. Sorry about the autofocus. And then this bulb, same thing, we twist it to the side, and then it'll pop out. Careful not to drop them. So the high beam's there, the low beam's over there in the corner. Now on the other side, you have this washer bottle, but they made a curve in the bottle. But if it's still in your way, you could take out these 10mm bolts right here, 1, 2. Take those out, and that'll move over, and you can get more room. But Toyota definitely did us a solid by cutting a hole in that spot. So this is the low beam, this is the part number, it's from Toyota. If you go to a parts store, they might call it H11, that's why I wrote it on there. But from Toyota, that's the official part number, that's the low beam. And then this is the high beam over here. H9 for like an O'Reilly's Napa type of place, and then, but that part number for the dealership. Probably be the same bulb, to be honest. They look identical, but they're different. This one has a light blue label on it, and that one has a dark blue, and that one yeah, so you could probably mix them up if you messed up, so try not to mix them up. So how to get them in, I got my high beam here. This is the light blue one. Sorry about the camera shaking. So what I do is I just kind of glide it and turn it until I feel the tabs go into place. Just gently twist it. Okay, they fell into place, and then you twist it down so it's pointing almost straight down, and then it'll lock in place. It should be pretty solid. It shouldn't be, you know, loose on you at all. And then you can put your connector on. A lot of times the connector won't go on unless it's perfectly down, so just something to know. Here's my low beam, and gonna just put this in. Same thing, just kind of gently turn it until it kind of the tabs fall into their spots, and then once they're in their spot, you turn it some more and it'll lock. This has a green inner part on the connector. All right, slide that in place, and then like I said, the other side's the same way. You just got kind of a washer bottle in the way. Test them out. Now I'm going to do the fog lights. This isn't as easy, but if you have no rack and you're doing it in your driveway, take this little pin out. It's a plastic pin. Twist it with a screwdriver, a flathead, and then just pop it out with a flathead. It'll come out. Don't lose it. You'll reuse it. And then down here, this is a 10mm screw right here. Do that, and then we're trying to loosen up the fender well enough so we can reach in there and get the bulb. But be careful not to lose the screw or the pin. I already got it out. Sorry guys, but it's the same exact thing as the top. You just twist it, disconnect it, and then twist it and pull it out. We'll put our new one in. This is the fog light part number from Toyota. And as you can see, this one has a blue label. It says H11. It's almost, I don't know if it's the same as the headlight. I really don't know, but it looks almost identical. But, you know, that's the part number I got from the dealer. So we'll go ahead and put this in, and be careful not to drop it. I had this one almost disappear on me like my dad. And when you get it in, we'll just, same process, just twist it. Once it's locked in place, get the connector on, and that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.